So we're at the Chiropractic Personal Injury Marketing Seminar, Dr. Winston, and so we started the personal injury. Now this seminar we focused on, what was the biggest aha moment of the seminar that you got this weekend?
Well, really it was the understanding of the impairment ratings. And you really broke it down. I've been exposed to it before, but now that I understand how to really get a hold of it, and then how to apportion it, and then to make it accountable, and then to quantify everything, that was enlightening.
Very simple, right? We made it simple, didn't we?
Oh, very much.
Okay. Now, let me be real clear about how to put the case together, okay? So remember the 4 categories on putting the case together, right?
Yes.
So how comfortable you feel with the 4 categories of putting the case together?
I like that. I feel pretty comfortable in that.
Pretty comfortable?
Yeah, I understand.
Were we real clear on exactly how to do that, how to put that personal injury case together to win that case?
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
Right.
All the documentation needed? Okay. Now, how about the second part of that, which is when the attorneys tack it and say it's a low impact injury? In other words, they try to minimize this case by saying it's low impact or pre-existing.
Right.
Okay, how clear are you on how to handle that after this weekend?
Yeah, I really like that. I have a real understanding of how to go about and defend that, especially when they talk about low impact injuries, and there are 9 things they usually try to get us on. And if we actually can upfront them and then meet them at the path, they won't have anything to actually attack us with.
Okay.
And so that was very, very important.
Okay.
And the other part about trying to make sure that we document everything we can and quantify.
Okay, so you're real clear on how to do that step by step, put this case together and defend it.
Correct.
And okay. And the last question is, how comfortable are you starting to see when you know how to communicate that to an attorney? How valuable that is to an attorney, meaning you not only win cases, but you create referrals and continue referrals when you know how to do it. Can you see how when you use that type of language and knowledge to communicating to attorney, that creates business? Can you see that?
Well, yeah, that's the very reason I brought my entire team out here. You know, I understand that I would have more understanding of it, but it really creates more confidence and value in what we're doing, and where I can go in and talk to an attorney and realize that, hey, you'll be losing if you don't choose my office to see your personal injury case.
And not necessarily using those words, but you're going to show them not only how they're losing, but they're going to win with you, right?
Of course, of course.
All right. All right. Any other comments about the weekend? How'd it go for you?
It was a great weekend. Yeah, you put everything together, and from end to end, it's fantastic. You got to be a part of this.
Okay, thanks a lot.
All right.